You know what people love? Happy, joyful, excited people. They're just fun to be around. They're just great people to be around. And so when you think about social media as it is your brand, how many of those people in your brand are joyful, full of life, hopeful, and interested in other people? You see, social media is just a connection of the person, the brand, the extension of them. So as you want to grow that, as you want to reach more people, they have to be an extension of the brand of who you are. You have to be kind and friendly and interested in other people's and answering questions. When you do those things, number one, you will be extremely different. And number two, it does take more time, yes. And number three, you will stand out and you will be an exact version, an extension of your brand in the marketplace. And that's what people want. That's what they want. Let me know how that hits with you. Let me know how that resonates. God bless.